Hi everyone, in this particular video we are going to learn how to change SharePoint site address. Every SharePoint site has a unique address. We call it URL as well. For example, if you go to this SharePoint site and if you look at this URL, this is the complete URL for this particular SharePoint site. This is my initial domain and this site is created under sites root folder. And this is the site address, ABC Team Site 3. Now, if you want to change the address of a particular site, for example, for this site, ABC Team Site 3 is the site address, but let's say I want the site address as ABC Team Site 123, for example. So this is possible in SharePoint. But remember, if you will change the site address, this will not change the site name. The site name will remain same. But if you want to change the site name as well, you can do that also. You can change the site address of all type of sites, be it a team site that has a Microsoft 365 group connected, a communication site, classic team sites, or even a modern site that doesn't has Microsoft 365 group connected. When you change the site address of a site, it can take up to 10 minutes to change the address. And during that duration, the site becomes read-only. So you should always change the site address during the non-business hours when no one is using the site. So to change the site address, you will go to SharePoint Admin Center. First, let me close this site. Within SharePoint Admin Center, you will click on this site and you will go to Site Properties. And under General tab, you will look for Site Address. And here you will click Edit. So as of now, the site address is ABC Team Site 3. But let's say I want to change this to ABC Team Site 123. And it says ABC Team Site 123 is available. That means I do not have any site in my SharePoint environment with this particular address. So we can use this address for this site. So let's click Save. Now this will ask you, would you like to change the site name as well? If you click Yes, this will ask you to type a new name for this site. But let's say I do not want to change the name of the site. I want to change the site address only. So I'll click No and click Close. Let's close this also. Let's refresh the page. So we can see the site address has been changed. Earlier it was ABC Team Site 3 and now it is ABC Team Site 123. Let's open this site. We can see the site name is still same because we didn't change it. And the site address has been changed to ABC Team Site 123. So this is how you can change a site address.